Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ram 2500 Laramie. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch and rear privacy glass.